Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to sell personalized shirts on Etsy using Printify. Alright guys, so you want to sell your personalized shirts on Etsy without holding inventory or buying machines. In this video I'll show you exactly how beginners use Printify to sell custom shirts on Etsy in 2026. All right, guys. So, your first step before anything else is signing up for both Etsy and Printify. So, I went through the process of typing in Etsy on my Google search, and this is what it came up with. So, once you click on here, you're going to be taken over to this website that is Etsy / your country code or your country at the top. Now, once you're on here, you could simply click on sign in, and then if you already have an account, just enter your email and password and you would be given access. Now, in the case where you do not have an email or, an account, just go ahead and click on either continue with Google or Facebook or Apple. I would recommend Google as almost everyone has a Google account. But if you're mostly a Apple user, you could continue with Apple. So let's go ahead and click on continue with Google. A small tab is going to open up on your screen. And now all you need to do is just simply sign in to your Google account and give it access to make sure you're logged in or you create your Etsy account. So go ahead and select the account you want to use for this process. Once you have selected an account, just follow the normal procedure and you would be signed in. Now, for Printify, it's basically the same thing. Just simply search up Printify. You'd find printify.com. It's a e-commerce business where you can simply design up to 1,000. And now with the designs you've placed on over 1,000 products, you can actually sell them on Etsy, TikTok, Amazon, Shopify, and other platforms as far as they are on-demand orders, which means there's no upfront cost for creating. All right. So, one question people usually ask is how you can profit from personalized shirts, and why personalized shirts actually sell on Etsy. Personalized shirts work because they're emotional, gift based, and hard to compare on price. You could have some of the funniest memes printed on shirts. You could have some of the dankest words on a shirt that wouldn't even leave a shelf. And sometimes it's more likely the emotional connection people have or create with the things that are being written on the shirts. That's why they're easily sold off. All right. So, what is the process we're going to be following if we want to sell personalized shirts on Etsy using Printify? So, as I said earlier, you're going to need an Etsy account. So, go ahead and create your account and then simply sign in. Once you're done signing in, you should be logged into Etsy. It's the same for Printify, so I'm just going to go ahead and simply click on login, but you would need to click on the sign up process and proceed to sign up for a Printify account. So go ahead and click on sign up. Once you're done with the sign up process, all right, so this is what the Etsy account looks like once you have successfully logged in. All you need to do here is just go ahead and register and connect your Printify account to Etsy. So you can just go to the account center and get it connected. Now, once you have signed into or signed up for Etsy, once you have signed up for Printify, it's going to look like this. So you're here to sell products. I'm already selling online, new to selling online. Print on demand is new to me. Something else, not sure. It's not new. I hope my new online business will be my main source of income. And then, how would you describe yourself? Content creator or something else? Let's go with art designer. Do you know which sales platform you'll sell on? No, I don't know where to sell. Um, let's sell to everyone. And then, great stores always know their target audience. It's too early to say. Where did you find them? Let's just use YouTube. All right. And once you've curated your account in this manner, this is the homepage of Printify. All right. So from here, all you need to do is head over to the products page. Let's click on got it. Head over to the products page and then simply click on create trending products, or you could scroll down and click on start designing or explore trends. When you explore trends, you get to see what other people are doing, and you can take off their design, you can use their designs, and this would really help with your business. All right, so go ahead and click on create trending products. Welcome to trends. You'll find daily insights. You could use this on your, let's just go ahead and click on skip for now. So you could use this on your shirts and hoodies and the likes. But let's just go ahead and click on start designing instead of exploring our trends. So click on start designing. All right, so welcome to the live editor. You could choose to start a store for yourself, but I'm just going to go ahead and explore. Let's click on got it. So basically this is what it looks like here. You can simply download this design template and use it on another canvas or anything like that. Well, if you want to put in your heartfelt images or text here, all you need is a Canva account, and then you can draft what you want to say and place it on top of the shirt. An example of that would be, let's say you want to add text or you want to upload something, or you even want to check out your library for your recent additions. You can find them there. So just click on update, just click on upload, click on my device, and then you can simply select what you would like to have on your shirt. Let's just go through and select something easy. All right, once you have selected it, it's just going to pop into the shirt. Now, all you need to do is just simply drag and expand it across, and then you can have it look or fit into the entire shirt. You could just have it fit the entire shirt, and voila, you have your custom design. And now once it's done, all you need to do is just click on colors, and then you can simply select a different variant for your shirt. Instead of white, you could have it in a different color. You could have it in silver, dark gray. You could have it in any color of your choice. Let's just go with something like dark gray. Let's go with dark gray, and it's going to look like this. And then all you need to do is click on save product. Once you have save product, you can click on preview to get a good look at it outside of Printify. And now once you're done with the design, you're taken to where you can connect your store. So go ahead and click on connect and publish, and then simply click on connect to Etsy. Now it's going to require you to connect your Etsy account, and this is the process where you just simply scroll through and give it permission. So just scroll and then click on grant access, and it would click on grant access, and you would be granted access, and your Etsy account would be connected to your Printify store over here. And then if you were to head over to your account, click on the drop down and then head into sell on Etsy. Click on sell on Etsy. All right, so once you have connected your Printify to Etsy, your product would sync automatically. Just go ahead and click on open your Etsy store shop. You may need to create a shop so your products from your Printify would be reflected over on your Etsy shop. And like I said, your products would sync automatically, your orders will be fulfilled instantly, tracking is sent to customers. Etsy is just going to handle the entire process and make everything easy. While all you need to do is just set up personalization on Etsy. So you can just simply personalize your account by asking buyers to enter their names or text that they want printed on shirts, and you can get it done. And then also set a price for your sales. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.